Hello everyone, welcome back to ZX18 Plus. In the previous video, we learned about system information and environment commands used by penetration testers. And today in part 2, we will explore some very useful Windows CMD user services, network and firewall commands that help pen testers gather information about target system and network. These commands are simple but extremely powerful for network enumeration and troubleshooting. So make sure to watch the video till the end. DRC $recycle bin slash SB. The command line above searches for folder $recycle. Bin recursively in all directories of drive C and deletes each found $recycle. Task list V displays detailed verbose information about all running processes on the local or remote computer. This includes process name, process ID, PID, session number, memory usage, username, window title, CPU time, and startup time. Task list slash SVC displays a list of all services hosted within each running process on the local or remote Windows system. .start, the net start command in Windows is used to start a stop or pause service from an elevated command prompt or batch file. WMX service list brief retrieves a concise list of all services installed on the system, displaying their name, display name, state, start mode, and status. This command is useful for quickly assessing the current state of services, identifying running or stopped services, and checking their startup configuration and SK queries of Windows command line tool used to obtain and display information about a specified Windows service, driver, or type of service. UAMI all displays comprehensive information about the current user's security context on a Windows system. This includes the username, domain, security identifier, SID, group memberships, privileges, logon ID, and user principal name, APN. Huami Prev displays the security privileges held by the current user in their active session. Net users. The net user command in Windows is a command line tool used to manage local and domain user accounts. It allows administrators to add, delete, modify, or display user account information on a local computer or domain controller. .net accounts. The net accounts command in Windows is used to view or configure local account and password policies from the command line. Net local group. It is a command line tool built into Windows used to manage local groups on a computer. It allows administrators to add, display, or modify local groups, as well as add or remove users or global groups from those local groups. Not local group administrators lists all users and groups with local administrator privileges on the computer. ipconfig slash all. It is a Windows command line tool that displays detailed TCP slash IP network configuration information for all network adapters on your system, including both physical route print. It is a Windows command used to display the current IP routing table, showing all active routes, network destinations, gateways, interfaces, and metrics. RP-A, it is a command used to display the current ARP address resolution protocol cache on a Windows or Unix like system. It shows the mapping between IP addresses and their corresponding physical MAC addresses for devices your computer has recently communicated with on the local network. Netstat-no. Netstat is a command line network utility that displays open network sockets, routing tables, and a number of network interface. Nets firewall show state. It is an older method to check the status of the Windows firewall. So these were some basic but powerful Windows CMD commands used by penetration testers for user services, network, and firewall reconnaissance. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to ZX18 Plus for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content. See you in the next video.